situation with another tip that you can use with your elementary school students during this time of online learning. So this tip is called Brain Power Points. It's a at-home incentive program that you can use with your little ones that can be tallied up throughout the week, and at the end of the week you and your little one can decide on a reward for all their hard work. So the important thing with Brain Power Points is that you really just set aside a really short amount of time per day that the child can use their brain power or put in their best effort. I find that this has worked really well with some of my tutoring students virtually. I want them to make the most of their time. So this is just something I wanted to share with you guys, and hopefully it'll help with distance learning as you as parents are balancing working from home or just this whole situation. So anyway, I hope it helps. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.